Welcome to Day 1 of MindGarden's Intro to Meditation course. Each lesson in this course will be its own meditation practice. So sit comfortably, place your hands on your lap, and close your eyes. What is meditation? Why are we doing this? When you hear the word meditation, you may picture what you're doing right now, sitting with your eyes closed, maybe focusing on your breath or some other sensation. But meditation itself really isn't something we do. It's a certain way that we are. The reason we practice, whether it's sitting, walking, or some other form of mindfulness, is to become meditative and make our entire life a meditation. This means to see things clearly, to be here now with whatever we're doing. Because the truth is, most of us have become so involved with the stories of our mind that we're missing the one thing that's real, life in this moment. Throughout this 7-day Intro to Meditation course, I'll show you some simple practices and insights to get you started on your meditation journey. These practices are nice and short, so make sure to show up each day and just do your best. That's all that matters. It's important to know that there's no right or wrong way to practice. Meditation is an individual journey, and everyone is different. So I'll give you many different practices you can try. You can take what works and leave what doesn't. So for this practice, keep your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, relax into it. Bring your full attention to your breath and just breathe naturally. You don't need to change or control your breath in any way. Just feel your breath flowing through your body. Maybe you feel the breath in the rising and falling of your stomach or your chest. Maybe you feel it in your nostrils. It's all good. When thoughts come up, simply notice them and come back to the breath. In the beginning of your meditation journey, your mind will be restless and get distracted very easily. It's all good. That's why we're here. So don't get frustrated. Just practice becoming aware of the thoughts as they arise and come back to your breath. Notice how you start to feel more relaxed and more present with each breath you take. And as you continue to let your breath flow naturally, bring your awareness to the space in between your breaths. There's a little pocket between your inhale and your exhale. See if you can find that space and keep your attention on it as it passes with each breath. If you want, you can pause for a moment between each breath to really feel that gap. Notice how you feel in that space. Maybe you notice a sense of stillness or peace. Whatever you feel, just sit with it in that space as it passes and go deeper with each breath you take Anytime a thought comes up, just become aware of it and return to this space. The space between our breath is pure presence. There's no room for thoughts of the past or future. There's just this moment. Keeping your eyes closed and your body still, notice the sense of peace and stillness within you. Our breath is a great tool that we can always come back to return to this moment and what's happening right now. Meditation lets us see that life is only ever happening right now. It allows us to see not only what's going on around us, but more importantly, what's going on within us. I want you to remember that cultivating meditation is a practice. Some days may be easier than others, but it's important that we show up and practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Make the commitment to yourself that you will give at least a few minutes every day to cultivate the quality of meditation in your own life. Just like anything, the more we practice, the easier it will become, until it becomes second nature. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take this meditation with you into the rest of your day. Amazing job today. I'll see you tomorrow.